Hey there, fellow Mustang enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a topic that often sparks heated debate amongst car enthusiasts: brakes. Specifically, we're here to address a common misconception: the idea that you need to upgrade your stock brakes on your beloved Fox Body Mustang. Now, I know some of you might already be shaking your heads, but stick around. You might just be surprised by what we're about to uncover. Let's start by addressing the everyday reality of driving your Fox Body Mustang on the road. For most of us, our Mustangs are not Indy cars tearing up the racetrack. They're daily drivers, weekend cruisers, and occasional road trip companions. The stock brakes engineered by Ford for these scenarios are designed to handle the typical demands of street driving. When you hit the brakes in everyday situations, the stock brake system does its job effectively, bringing your Mustang to a controlled stop without any drama. Now, I understand that some of you might be itching to unleash your inner drag strip hero. It's exhilarating, no doubt, but let's be honest. How often are you truly hitting the drag strip? And more importantly, do you really need to push your stock brakes to the limit on that rare occasion? When you're at the drag strip, your focus should be on your run, not on whether your brakes can handle it. If you're consistently engaging in drag racing, it might be wise to invest in some upgrades. However, for the occasional strip visit, your stock brakes are still capable of getting you back down to a safe speed. And you don't need to take the first exit on the drag strip. Go ahead and run all the way to the end. Besides, a little extra wind will help cool your car down. Now, I'm not about saying you should never upgrade your brakes. There are scenarios where it makes sense, like if you're significantly increasing your Mustang horsepower or participating in track events. But for the majority of us who use our Fox Body Mustangs for their intended purpose, spirited street driving and occasional drag strip runs, stock brakes are more than adequate, folks. Let's just be honest. But before you decide you're spending your hard-earned money on expensive brake upgrades, consider some practical tips. Make sure your brake pads and rotors are in good condition. Upgrading these components can often provide a noticeable improvement without breaking the bank. And remember, proper maintenance goes a long way in ensuring your brakes perform at their best. One common issue that can affect the feel of your brakes is sponginess. If you find your brake pedal feels soft or spongy, it might be time to flush your brake fluid. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture, which can lead to a loss of braking efficiency. Flushing your brake fluid at recommended intervals helps maintain a firm and responsive pedal feel. For those of you with drum brakes on your Fox Body Mustang, don't forget about proper adjustment. Well-adjusted drum brakes contribute to consistent braking performance. If you notice your brake pedal travels too far before engaging, it might be time to adjust your drum brakes for optimal contact and braking power. Now, if you're seeking a stiffer brake pedal feel, consider switching to DOT 4 brake fluid. DOT 4 fluid has a higher boiling point compared to DOT 3, making it suitable for more aggressive driving conditions. However, keep in mind that DOT 4 brake fluid is more hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs moisture more readily. As a result, you'll need to change it more often to prevent it from becoming corrosive to your brake components. Incorporating these maintenance practices into your routine ensures that your stock brake system operates at its best, providing you with the reliable stopping power you need on the road and at the occasional drag strip run. To sum it up, fellow Mustang enthusiasts, stock brakes on your Fox Body Mustang are more than adequate for the majority of our driving scenarios. With proper maintenance, you can ensure your brakes perform optimally and provide you with the confidence you need when hitting the road or the strip. Remember, it's not just about the parts you have, it's about how well you take care of them. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to give those stock brakes the attention they deserve. Until next time, keep the rubber on the road and enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Alright guys, thanks for watching.